Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get ETH address in Binance. Open the Binance app, tap Wallet, choose Spot, then select Ethereum and press Receive to view your address and QR code. Copy the address exactly before sharing, or scan the QR to avoid typing errors. Double-check the network is Ethereum to prevent loss, and consider using a small test transfer first to confirm everything is correct. In this video, I will show how to get ETH address in Binance. After logging on mobile, update the app, authenticate, then go to Wallet, Spot, and Ethereum. Tap Receive to display the ETH address and QR code, then use the copy icon to copy it to your clipboard. Always confirm the displayed address matches the one you paste elsewhere, and consider saving addresses in a secure manager for repeat transfers. In this video, I will show how to get ETH address in Binance. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They fit well and last through everything, much like a reliable wallet setup. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to get ETH address in Binance. On desktop, log in, hover Wallet and open Fiat and Spot, then locate Ethereum and choose Deposit. The site will display your ETH address and a QR code you can scan, or use the copy button to transfer it. Confirm the network and check the full address characters before sending funds to avoid irreversible mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.